Hi, this is Gunjan Taneja Gaur, and I am live with a beautiful friend, Arpana, obviously, on her channel Wonder Woman Connect. Well, I think I got associated with this group almost a year or two back, and every time I talk to her, the things become absolutely different because she is like you have those rose petals where the complete rose is there and you can just peel off, and every time you see a new color, I feel the same way with her. Whenever I talk, she guides me and she tells me something or the other. This time recently we talked about meditation, and then we talked about self healing. There is so much to her, and I hope that once you all guys are connected, you must be knowing much more than me indeed. Well, just to know a small thing about me, my name is Gunjan Taneja Gaur, and we run this academies and salons all over India by the name of Bharti Taneja Alps Beauty Group. So I joined this profession almost 20 years back. The group exists since 32 years. So where I was obviously unmarried and I was growing in the same environment, that is the time when I thought, that I will be choosing this as a profession. And that was the time, indeed, people accepted beauty as a career, but then they never accepted educated people getting into this. So this was a very different concept for majority of the people, that educated लोग इसमें क्यों आएंगे. मतलब एजुकेटेड लोग तो डॉक्टर बनेंगे ना, इंजीनियर बनेंगे, fashion designers banenge, jewelry designer was in. But then why will an educated person enter into beauty as a field? That is the time when I thought that this is the time to change a lot of concepts of people. And because when I joined beauty, when I joined my mom's profession, well, the whole concept which I wanted was that it should be a profession of choice, and not that, oh my god, the girl is not able to do anything, let her become a beautician. There is much larger picture to it. Imagine that people like us, when you come to us, we transform you, and once you know you're looking nice, finally you perform better. Isn't that true? If you are feeling dull and you do your hair nicely, you wear that red lipstick, and you go out, you feel that it's my day. Similarly, if you are not looking good and you've oiled your hair and you've tied your hair, and you are even in your lift, you'll always say, shit yaar, aaj koi mil na jaye. That happens with everybody. So mano ya na mano, beauty plays a major role in our in our performance indeed. So that is the whole point why I wanted to take this chapter, and that's what I discussed with Arpana also, that let's take beauty as a profession so that I widen the picture of people thinking about it. So the professions which are I'll wait for more people to join in. Indeed, I'll start with a softer profession which everybody knows. Is if you are thinking of beauty as a profession, the easiest to get into is to become a beautician. You just need to do a one beauty course, which is a beautician course. Do a complete course from a renowned academy. Don't do it from somebody, मेरे साथ वाले salon की दीदी से मैंने सीख लिया. आज अगर आपका बेस अच्छा नहीं बना, तो याद रखें कि वो आगे भी आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. Imagine sending your toddler to a school which is not that renowned, thinking कि नहीं कॉलेज अच्छा हो जाएगा. फर्क पड़ता है. So always do a course from a renowned academy. That is very, 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 very important. So beautician is one of the courses which you can do. You can become a beauty expert. Number two profession which you can take, which is, I'll take a rare profession which people don't think about, and I thought, and I am doing quite well in that, is cosmetic making. Yes, when we talk about beauty, we talk about beautician, but then in beauty we also have this very beautiful topic called cosmetic making. So we have our factory in Okla, and we are making our own cosmetics out there. So what happens is, whenever I'm doing a facial or I'm recommending somebody a facial, I am confident that whatever products are there which they are using, I know the product because I've made it. Similarly, if I'm telling somebody to buy a product from my outlet or from my factory, I know it very well because I actually know the ingredient which I have put inside it. How much percentage of AHA or a collagen is inside it. I don't have to depend about कि लिखा तो 20 है, I don't know है कितनी, या let me try. I know if it is 20, it is written 20. It's that simple. There are so much of production which you can do. You can have your own brand, you can have your own label, and you can do it. So beauty as a profession, if you think about, learn cosmetic making, develop your factory, develop your product, even if the product is of maybe kids care, even if the product is of color cosmetics or a product of skincare or just a line of maybe oils. So something like that, you can work it out. So beauty is a profession, cosmetic making, do consider it. Third, definitely a hairdresser. If you think your kid or your sister or somebody or you have a nash of doing hair and designing hair, so hairdresser is a beautiful job. You will be surprised, even in the time of recession or likewise. वैसे तो ब्यूटी में कोई रिसेशन होता ही नहीं है, but in that sort, a hairdresser sometimes earns more than ₹1,00,000 per month. Yes, that's true. Our hairdressers are the highly paid person in a salon. And what do they need? They just need a scissor and a comb and lot of brain. We do lot of mathematics with colors. आपको colors दिखते होंगे, अच्छा इन्होंने red streak कर दी, gold streak कर दी, but हमारे में जब हम ये सब काम करते हैं, you won't believe there is a lot of mathematics involved in it. So we always tell कि आपको मैथ अच्छा है ना, तब आपको कलर अच्छा आएगा, आपका क्रिएटिविटी अच्छा है तो आपका कलर अच्छा आएगा. So hair dressing is a beautiful profession where you just need a scissor, comb, lot of brain, and you just start with it, and you earn very well. So you just know how to cut the hair, you know how to blow dry it. Plus it is a easiest way of advertising. Imagine if you cut somebody's hair and it is looking nice, she will go outside and people will notice her. She will advertise about you. ऐसा कौन सा प्रोफेशन है जिसमें आपकी एडवर्टाइजमेंट आपका क्लाइंट करता है, वो भी दूसरों के पूछने पे? This is the easiest thing. So if you are looking nice, you're feeling good, client will be asking कहाँ से कराया, you will recommend कि X से करवाया, अब XYZ पे कोई आएगा and geometrically business multiply होता है. कई बार आपने देखा होगा कि प्रोफेशनली हेयर ड्रेसर अगर शिफ्ट होता है तो आप भी काफ़ी बार उसके साथ सैलून शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. सो नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ बिग एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ द हेयर ड्रेसर कोर्स. हेयर ड्रेसर में बेसिक हेयर कटिंग आता है, कलरिंग आता है एंड हेयर स्टाइलिंग आता है, यानी हाउ टू ब्लो ड्राई, हाउ टू स्टाइल, हाउ टू टोंग, हाउ टू हॉट आयरन, all those things are also there. So it's a complete course. Another profession which I did, which I learned and I had spread a lot, and I have learned it from my mom, is permanent makeup, which is my favorite topic any day. I think Ishika also came in and she told a lot of people about it because I am really doing well in that. Permanent makeup एक ऐसा कोर्स है जो आप एज अ इंटरेस्ट भी सीख सकते हैं, अभी भी सीख सकते हैं. It's just a 7 days course in which you don't need to be a beautician to learn that. You just need to have that interest to learn it. So in permanent makeup, what we do is we make the eyebrows permanently. That means if I do an eyebrows, it's more like a tattooing, but if I do it, it stays for lifetime. It doesn't go. It doesn't go for 20 years, 30 years, it doesn't go. The guarantee which we take is 10 years. The course of doing permanent eyebrows, permanent liner, lipstick, beauty spot and coloring of leukoderma patches is for 7 days. It's just a 40,000 rupees course in which you definitely get a kit. You can use that kit on almost 50 people. So if the course, if you're charging like for example 10,000 from a person, after 4 clients your money is back. So that way the course is a very advantageable course. And you can work with a lot of hospitals. Like I am working with a lot of cancer hospitals where we do permanent makeup for acid victim, for cancer patient. And once they get those eyebrows done, trust me, they bless you every day they see your face. You know, every day they see, they feel nice about it and they bless you. It's a beautiful course, even if you want to do welfare for a society. You can charge them, you can do it free of cost, you can do it as a 50% discount, but it's an amazing course to do. Just invest 7 days and learn that thing, that is a beautiful thing to do. Another course which we can take up is a white collar job, which is about learning salon management. So what happens generally when you go to a salon, you just see a receptionist and then a manager. A manager is a floor manager who walks around, distributes the work, sees who's good in what, sells better, sells you a combination of services, packages. So if you're someone who loves to talk, who loves to meet new people, who doesn't want to sit home and wants to go out to work for a change, and then who loves that thing, then you don't need to learn beauty, hair, makeup, anything like that. You just learn salon management. Salon management is also a 5 days course, just for $10,000, and definitely you get a good salary package once you join as a salon manager. You don't have to do anything except to talk. You just need to talk well, you just need to know how to sell well, how to build a rapport well. You should know your subject well, but as such you're not performing, you're not doing a blow dry on the field, or you're not doing a cutting on a field. You're just sitting in your cabin, clients are walking in, you're suggesting them what to work out, what to wear, what hair to wear with whatever garment they are coming in with. You just have to suggest everything, and you will feel a lot of difference in your own personality, in your own thought. So if you want to earn those extra bucks and you don't want to be on field, you don't like cutting, like I was somebody who said cutting nahi karni mujhe. So if you are somebody who's like me and who doesn't want to cut their hair but still want to be on the field, salon management is the best thing. Indeed, I run this YouTube channel called Gunjan Salon Guru, in which there are a lot of topics which I have covered, and how to sell better and all those things. So once you get time, do log on to that also. So it's Gunjan Salon Guru. In addition, Arpana has my number. So if you want to connect with me, or you want any specification about any of the courses, I am there to help you out. In addition, if I talk of more profession, definitely a makeup artist is one of the hit professions which you can work on. If you're somebody who is very creative, love to do makeup, and is always doing makeup when there is a marriage in the house, everybody wants ki nahi isse baat kar lo, isse pooch lo, and you like to do your own stuff also, do a makeup course, preferably a makeup and a hairstyle, but then a makeup course. After that course, you will have a kit of your own with you, which you are using as a practice, and that kit almost lasts for 2 years. So you will have that kit. You can either join a salon, you can be a freelancer, you can be a teacher, where you can teach in an academy, which is another noble profession. So you can plan it that way. So if you're somebody who loves to do makeup, who loves to experiment, you can maybe tie up with a choreographer, tie up with a photographer. You can do only celebrities, and celebrities who visit Delhi, if you have good contacts, or if you can make contacts with them, the producers or people who are the agencies which search makeup artists, you can make contact with them, and you can rub shoulders with best of the best personalities. You'll be surprised that I learned makeup, and that's how I worked with Mahima Chaudhary or Aishwarya Rai or Madhuri Dixit or Dhoni, in a way. And it's an absolutely different experience when you work with bigger celebrities, and you fall in love with it. And trust me, everybody is down there a human only. You realize once you start working कि ये तो वैसे ही है जैसे मैंने सोचा था. No snob, nothing like that. They want the best. They know what product they want, and you have an absolutely different experience. So learn makeup now. If you like playing with colors, if you are creative enough and you want to learn makeup, and you can rub shoulders with best of the best personalities, or maybe you can tie up with the photographer, like I just did a Pepsi campaign, and I loved it, because whenever I see those posters when I'm crossing the highway, and I feel अरे ये मेकअप मेरा किया हुआ है, नहीं दिख रहा उस पर नाम गुंजन, कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. but that memory, that experience, it matters a lot. Trust me, बहुत ही अच्छी feeling आती है. Similarly, when I see a lot of personalities, I know that I have seen her. Yeah, I've been with her. Yeah, if I see a show, I know I've been a part of that show. You know, working behind the scene, working behind the stage. So those things, if those appeal you, learning makeup is one of the good things you can do. Another thing which is absolutely different in terms of beauty, I would suggest do a diet course, because every salon and academy needs a dietitian. In a dietitian, you don't have to be a doctor, you just have to be a science graduate or maybe a science till 12th, you need to take it. If you've taken that, trust me, you can do a diet course, and a dietitian is a basic, what do you say, pillar of any salon and any academy and any slimming a place where you visit, all those institutions and all those centers, those slimming centers and all, and they are paid very well. One of the best payments is done to a dietitian, because she is the one who's guiding you about what services to take, how many sittings to take. They are selling you packages, they are earning on packages, they are earning good commissions, they are earning good basic salary, and all you have to do is sit in a cabin, plan the diet, guide the people, and network. That's all. So if you are somebody who's thinking of beauty as a profession, this is also something very interesting. I think it's a 3 to 4 months course only, and the payment is very high. When you talk in terms of your salary, it's a very good salary. So you earn very well, your incentive is very well. Even a dietitians like that, they earn around lakh per month. So it's a good profession, and it is a recession free profession. Indeed, you can be a spa therapist. There are people who go to various spas like Karali spas and all those spas to get healed. There is so much of problems nowadays, and people are searching various ways to get healed. In that sense, they learn. Becoming a spa therapist is also a good one. You can learn the spa therapy, hydrotherapy, stone therapy, magnetotherapy, all those therapies as such, and you can join those freelancers as a freelancer, those companies. If you know all the names of the companies whom you call and a beautician comes home, so those people, you can just join them, and they will tell you when to go and how to go, and they take care of your security very, very well. So, and that's a beautiful way of staying secure, not doing a freelance yourself, but joining a bigger company, because a company will always take care of your security first, your knowledge second, and your payment third. This is something which we categorize a hierarchy on, that it should be very, very safe when you're going to somebody's house. So if you are a spa therapist and your interest is mainly to heal people, if you think that while after learning Reiki or magnetotherapy or stone therapy or aqua therapy, and you can just scrub people's body and make them feel happy and relieve their pain, this is a very beautiful profession. Spa therapy is something which you can join in, you can learn. It takes a little time, it's not a very fast learning course, but then it takes a little time, but it goes very well. Another profession which we'll talk is, well, if you have questions, I can answer them too. Another profession which you can talk, which is absolutely going very, very well, is a nail therapist. If you see, nail therapists nowadays have a recession-free job. You can open a small nail studio and you can work for it. So you just need to know and learn nail extension, nail art, permanent extension, nail piercing. If you have interest in drawing, if you have patience, and you love those beautiful nails and you can't remain without them, then nail extension you can learn, and you can do it for yourself, your friends. You will just need a simple kit, 1 hour of work, and you earn very well. And if you have got your extensions done, you know very well that people will come back, get it done again, the removal will be done by you, again you will put it again, a refilling. So if one client is happy, she will come back in 20 days and she will get things done again. then she'll come back in 20 days and she'll get things done again. So it's a process which goes on automatically, and nail studios earn superbly well with that small cabin of 9 feet only. When nail started, I think 5 years back, even I was surprised कि इतना nail का business होगा इंडिया में. But now when I see it expanding, now when I see it happening, it is mind-boggling. It has got very well, and freelancers are there, nail studios are there, and it's earning superbly well. All you need to do is to make one client happy, and geometrically she will bring back the business to you. Sorry. So we have taken a lot of professions. Number 1 was beautician, number 2 was cosmetic making, and we also have taken a profession of hair cutting, hairdressing, makeup artist, teacher, and we've taken a profession of nail studio, a spa therapist, a beauty manager, a diet expert. So those 10 professions, I think out of them 10 permanent expert, 11 profession. I doubt that you know all of them. So if you want to know more about them, you can take my number from Arpana, and we can get in touch with each other and we can discuss more and more about all those things. In addition, if there's anything if you want to ask, you can just simply Ritu, Man, Arpana, you can just simply type it here and I will answer you for sure. In terms of profession also, thank you. In terms of profession also, when you are doing a course, please try to do from a reputed academy and not from somebody next door. You know what happens when you learn next door? One, you don't get certified. You have to have your certifications very well, because that proves that you've learnt well, you've given your exams well, you've scored well, and you know your art. Because in our profession, we are touching every individual and doing work. For example, if I am cutting your hair, I am touching you, I am cutting the hair, and if anything goes wrong, you can't go home and say, nahi, baal अच्छे नहीं कटे, कोई बात नहीं, let's change my hair. I am not designing your garment that you don't like it, you go back and you change the garment and you say, अच्छा मैं नहीं पहनूंगी इसको, दूसरा पहन लेती हूँ. That is not the choice. So one mistake will remain at least for a week with you. Similarly, if you are doing it from somebody next door, you might not have those teachers who are teaching you. You might have that auntie who runs the salon and then she thought, salon खुला है, salon and academy लिख लेते हैं, क्योंकि मुझे तो पढ़ाना आता ही है. काम करने में और काम पढ़ाने में दोनों अलग अलग टॉपिक होते हैं. Always remember it. I can be a very good makeup artist, but that doesn't mean that I'm a very good teacher. So it is very important that you should learn from a reputed academy. 1, you get a good certificate. 2, you get a good teacher. 3, your exams are taken well. मुझे लगता है लोगों को एक डर ज़रूर लगता है when I take exams. Indeed, imagine I take exam of everybody. So whosoever is in my academy, all 200 students I take exam and I love it. They are scared at the starting से, गुंजन अब वो time नहीं रह गया, अब बच्चे exam दे रहे थे हमारे, हम कैसे दे दें. But what does exam do? It tells you on your face about what you have learned. It is very important to know that. Sometimes we become so confident that whatever we have learned 3 months back, now we know that. But then out of sight, out of mind हो जाता है. So it's very, very important that you give an exam and you learn it and you learn from a professional. So एक आम salon आपको exams नहीं दिलवाएगा, but एक अच्छी academy आपको वाइवा, थ्योरी, प्रैक्टिकल, फाइल वर्क सब कराएगी. जब आप लिख लेते हैं ना, तो आप गलत नहीं करते. यही हमने बचपन में भी सीखा था, राइट? So just do it. Take interest in it in a professional manner. If you and I don't make it professionally, nobody will. Then people will think, that way is कि ठीक है. Beautician is not a professional or job of a educated person. If educated people will take in, that's how educated people will spread education. you know. That's very, very important. In addition, when you tell somebody that you've done your course from a reputed academy, you know your teachers well, you've given your exams well, this is your perfect certificate, they definitely consider you in comparison to somebody who's not done from a reputed academy. You know, they will compare, because whenever we are choosing, even whenever we're choosing a makeup artist, we compare 10. So if there's somebody who's highly educated and done from a nice place and is using good products, it becomes very easier for us, you know, to see the good testimonial, or to see how confident the person is, how good the rapport is, how well she understands you, and we proceed. So this is why it's important that you do a course from a right academy. You choose a course, because right academy will always choose a right course for you. For example, if my interest is makeup, I will do a makeup course. I don't have to do a beautician course. If my interest is in talking, I don't mind doing a salon management course, sit inside a cabin and just manage the salon. If my interest is hair designing, why will I do a pedicure? I will just do a hairdressing course and design it well. So, what is your interest? Only then you can choose your profession very well. It can be hairdressing, it can be hair designing, it can be hair cutting, it can be only chemical hair designing, it can be hair weaving, it can be hair extension, it can be eyelash extension. Everything needs a small kit, and you are movable and you are able to tie up. Even in extensions nowadays, you've seen it is just expanding like hotcakes. Anybody who gets an eyelash extension done definitely needs a touch up in a month. So those lashes will fall automatically. She will need a touch up in a month. You will have to come back to her. It becomes absolutely easy. So you can definitely do it. In our academy, we are doing almost 26 courses, in which we have 4 categories, if I like to put it in that way. Number one, if you are somebody who has not done any course and you want to do a complete course of 1 year, so you have a complete course of 1 year. Number two, we have small courses, like if I am someone who likes to do nail extension but has no interest in makeup, or wants to do makeup but has no interest in hair cutting, so those specific small courses of weeks are there. Then if someone is there who's just getting married or just sitting at home and she loves doing makeup but she doesn't know how to hide scars or all those things, and she wants to do only personal makeup, then we have personal courses. And the fourth category is of international courses. So those courses in which, if you're thinking of going outside doing a job, or your husband is going outside and you want to tag along, not as a dependent visa but somebody who knows the course and who has an international certificate, we have those CIPTEC certification course also. So once you do that course, the CIPTEC certification is valid in 36 countries. This is the same certificate which is given from London, UK, US, Canada, everywhere. The certificate is absolutely same. The price is lesser compared to UK, definitely. The exam is taken by people from London only. We don't take those exams. They will come and take the exams. So it's a very different course. There are 4 courses in that. You can do an international course, straight away go outside, get a job and get your license to work. So those courses are also there. Are there any of the line courses also? Online courses, I am planning to do a salon management course. If you want to learn management, I'm also planning to do a permanent makeup course, but then you can learn it online, but then you need to have a kit, you need to practice it, you need to come back to the salon and you need to do it. I am planning 2-3 courses online, especially management is something which I love. The way I said that my channel is running called Gunjan Salon Guru, and in that I am training a lot of people about that's free of course, but then I will be taking a webinar soon. I can tell Arpana and we can just coordinate. So we'll be taking a paid webinar of a small course of management of how to manage, how to select a salon place. Even if you want to select a location, how do you select a location for salon, because that's also very important, or how to select a profession in salon. So I am planning to do that also. So online, we are planning a lot of courses, if I would say. Any other question you can definitely ask me. I'm here. I think you should utilize the time. We can chit chat. We can tell Anna, I to love my profession. I can go endless talking in that. You know, it's very important that once you come back home and once you're working, whatever profession you are in, not only beauty, I would say beauty because my blood is in that. But once you come back home and once you see your kids or your husband or your family or your father or anybody share the the happiness which you've gained. We have this habit of coming back and complaining, आज office में ये हुआ. We don't have this habit of coming back and saying आज office में ऐसा करा और मेरी वजह से ऐसा अच्छा हुआ. That is absolutely important. If I come back and I share my happiness with my kid, they will feel proud of me. They will feel proud that I am a beauty expert or a skin expert. If I come back and I just tell them complaints, they will always feel that I'm not happy with my job. And they might not respect my job also. They might not respect my, boss or my co-workers also. Or my staff also. So when you come back, I always say कि lift में problem छोड़ के आओ और come back home. If you want to discuss your problem, discuss it. Try to find a solution with it, but definitely discuss your happiness. Because happiness is there every day, problems are there some days. So discuss those happiness. Tell about your thing and that's how your family will be proud of it. वरना क्या होगा ना, आपने सबके अगेंस्ट होकर सैलून का कोर्स करा एंड पीपल वाले ले अच्छा खासा तो सेटल थी, क्या ज़रूरत थी तेरे को एक मेकअप का कोर्स सीखने की. यू वर सो ब्यूटिफुली डूइंग योर ओन थिंग एंड यू वांट टू डू इट बिकॉज यू आर क्रिएटिव. सो व्हेन यू डू दैट कोर्स एंड यू गो बैक, देन पीपल ऑलवेज फील मना करा था ना, पैसा वेस्ट करके बैठी है, अभी कौन सा कुछ कर रही है, दो चार ही तो मेकअप आते हैं. But when you come back and you tell them that I did a makeup of a bride and the bride was happy and everybody came and took a selfie with me and I'm so happy today, let me treat you with maybe a pizza or a besan laddu, the work is done. Because in the end of the day, they've realized that you are happy, they've realized that you have invested the money and the time at a right place and they will be happy in your happiness. ठीक है, उसका मेकअप करते हुए 100 प्रॉब्लम्स आई होंगी, ज़रूरत नहीं है डिस्कस करने की. प्रॉब्लम से आप सीखें, खुशी आप डिस्कस करें. दैट इज़ वॉट आई ऑलवेज फील, दैट इज़ वॉट आई ऑलवेज फील. एंड that positivity definitely brings back a lot of clients, a lot of happiness in your house and outside. I will also try that I can tell Alpna that we can do a workshop on self-grooming. Indeed, I have a very smart topic of how you take 10 products and you do your own makeup or whatever products you have with you. Just utilize those products and do a beautiful makeup. We'll definitely host a webinar once she says, and we can plan it that way. And you can take my number and we can just say connected whenever you want. And I am generally don't pick up phones, but I'm there on WhatsApp. So you can WhatsApp me, and next time when you see beauty as a profession, I'm sure you will think much more than a beautician, much more than a hairdresser, much more than a makeup artist. You will think as a wider range. So anything you want to get connected, she's there. She's the bridge between her, you and me. She's definitely a beautiful person. Thank you so much, Arpana. I hope everybody liked the session, and I look forward for doing that makeup session which people are requesting. We'll surely do it. Thank you. Stay connected. God bless.